Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Muhammad Ali Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class 2 today. Okay. Our today's topic is TT discussion. TT means times table discussion. I repeat, it's times table discussion. Our lecture number is 24, and you have the homework. Homework number is 21 today. Okay. Times table discussion. TT means what? TT. This means times table. Times table. Okay. Dear students, times table is needed for your multiplication and to do this division. That means for doing the multiplication and for doing the division, you must memorize the times table. Okay. You have the times table for the half yearly examination from 1 to 12. You need to memorize all the times table. Okay. You need to memorize all the times table. I will write down 2 or 3 or 4 times table today on the board. Okay. First of all, I am going to write down the times table of 6. First of all, I am going to write down the times table of 6. To write the times table, we need to identify the tens place and the ones place. T means tens place, O means ones place. Okay. Then we should give a gap here. Again, we should write down tens place, ones place. And again, I will give a gap here. We should write down tens place and ones place for the writing of times table number 6. Okay. Now in the ones place we should write down 6. Then in the gap we should use the multiplication sign. In this gap we should use the multiplication sign. And after that we should write down from 0 to 10. Okay. 0 we should write down after the ones place. That means in the bottom of the ones place we should write down 0. Okay. And in this gap we will use the equal sign. Okay, dear student. And 6 zeros are how much? 6 multiplication 0. That means in the times table you should say 6 zeros are how much? Okay. 6 zeros are 0, because if we multiply any number by 0 we will get 0 again. Okay. Now my dear students, next number is 1. That means we should write down 6 in the ones place. We will use multiplication sign in the gap, and we should write down 1 in the ones place. We will gap in the tens place. We will not write down 1 in here because this is the tens place, dear student. Okay. 1 need to write down in the ones place. Now we will give the equal sign in this gap. Okay. After that, 6 ones are how much? This means 6 multiplication 1. This means in the times table 6 ones are how much? 6 ones are 6, because when we multiply any number by 1 we will get that number again back. Okay. So 6 ones are 6. Like this one, we will write down all the numbers here of the times table is 6 multiplication with 2. That means 6 twos are 12. When we write down 12, look my dear students, we get 12 here. So we should write down 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. It is very important. 6 twos are 12, and to write down 12 we use tens place and ones place. In the tens place we should write down 1. In the ones place we should write down 2. Okay. After that, 6 threes are how much? 6 threes are 18. 6 to the 18. 18 is a 2-digit number again, and we should use 1 in tens place and 8 in the ones place. Okay. And now 6 fours are how much? 6 multiply 4. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are, my distance, 24. We will write down 24 here. 2 and 4. 2 should write down in the tens place, and 1 we should write down in the 4 and should write down in the ones place. After that, the number comes as 5. Now 6 fives are how much? 6 multiplication of 5. This means that 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 30 30. Okay, like this we can write down all the numbers multiplication. That means times table of 6. 6 are 36. Then 6 sevens are how much? 6 sevens are 42. Then 6 eights are how much? 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are how much? 6 nines are 54. And the last one is 6 tens are. Look at here. 6 tens are. 10 is a double digit number. That means we should write down in the tens place 1. And we should write down 0 in the ones place. This makes 10. 6 tens are 60. I repeat again, my dear students, to memorize the times table you should say like this. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. I hope you have understood. Like this, I will write down the times table of 9 here, okay? Look, the times table of 9 we will write down here. Before that, before the times table of 9, we will write down the times table of 8, because times table of 8 is needed, okay? My dear students, times table of 8 I am writing on the board. In the ones place, I have write down all the 8s, okay? We need to write down 11 8s in the ones place. After that, we will write down 0 to 10. 0 in the ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 7, it's 8, it's 9 and it's 1, 0, 10. Now we will write down the multiplication result. So it will make a times table of 8. Now 8 zeros are how much? 8 zeros are 0, because when we multiply any number with 0, we will get back the 0 again. Now 8 ones are how much? 8 ones are 8, because when we multiply any number by 1, we will get that number back again. Now 8 twos are 16, 1 and 6 16. When you write down 2-digit number, we will use the tens place, okay? In the tens place we should write down 1, and in the ones place we should write down the number 6. It is make 16. Now we will write down like this: 3 8s are 24, sorry, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 40 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, then 8 9s are, sorry, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. Now I am repeating again. To memorize the times table, you should say like this: 8 zeros are 0, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. Like this you should memorize. Now I am going to write down the times table of 9. Dear students, times table of 9 we can write down in another way. It's a magic, you can say, okay? I think you like the magic. You like the magic. First of all, to write down that magic timetable, only times table of 9 is a magic one, okay? We can write down magically of timetable of 9 only, and the magic is, first of all we should write down this 9 11 here, 11 9s here and 0 to 10, and the result will be the magic one. First one, 9 zeros are how much? We multiply 0, we will get 0, okay? 0 with any number, we will get 0. After that, my dear students, it's very easy. It's very easy. How? We should start from 0 here. From the tens place we should 0, we should start here. My dear students, from the tens place and from 9 ones, we should start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And conversely, from the tens place we should write down here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the times table of 9. Now, when you memorize this, you should memorize like this. It's 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Dear students, I will write down another one today for your better learning. I am going to write down the times table of 12 now, okay? To write down times table of 12, look dear students, we should write down here 11 12, okay? It's 12 12 12 12 12, all the 12 we will write down for writing down the times table of 12, okay, at first. And also you should write down from 0 to 10, okay? Now we'll write down the result. Dear students, in before we have write down here in the board times table of 6, times table of 8, times table of 9, but look, 6, 8, 9, these are the single digit number. These are the single digit number. That means this number has only one digit. It's one digit, it's also one digit. But when I am going to write down the times table of 12, 12 is a double digit number. That means it has two digit. This 1, 2, two digit. Also, when we write down the times table of 10, 10 has a two digit, one digit, two digit. So if we write down the times table of any two digit numbers, then we will write down in the right side HTO. In the right side we will use now HTO. H means 100, T means tens, O means ones. Because I am going to write down the double digit numbers times table. That is why we will use in the right side HTO. Okay, we need that place 100. That is why we will use HTO. Okay, when I write down the double digit numbers times table. The students, now 12 zeros are 0, 0 in the ones place. Okay, now 12 ones are 12. When we write down 12, we will use 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Okay, 12, 1 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. Now 12 twos are 24. 24 will be right down here. Okay, 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. Like this, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96. Now dear students, 12 nines are 108. 12 nines are 108. We have got 108. So one should write down in the hundreds place 108. It is 108. We should use this place 100. That is why I write down H here. Okay, because this is a double digit number. Okay, now 12 tens are 120. It is our times table of 12. Okay, I think you have understood, my dear students, today's lecture. Now you have the homework. Your homework number is 21. Please mention your HW number in your HW copy left top corner. Okay, your homework is times table of 9 and 12. That means in the HW copy you should write down only the times table of 9 and 12. Okay, you can submit your HW copy on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.